100. Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, I've been on a mission. Go. Okay, let's get it. Got a little time on my hands like a wristwatch. I don't got time for the breaks and a pit stop. Race through the gridlock, take it like Chris Rock. Right to the chin, still win. Heavy metals like Slipknot. Got the driving, I got tunnel vision. I just hit my stride the way I run the business. I've been making paper like I'm Dunder Mifflin. See the end game, I got
What's going on? How you guys doing? What's going on? All right. Let's get right into it. Market did little running. Now it's going down. All right. For those who were in the masterclass earlier today, obviously we were keeping you out of chop. And then we talked about the SPY breaking that 200. Let's go ahead and take a look at that, right? Really quickly. SPY breaking the 200 on the 1 minute. This is something that we were anticipating. And basically what we said was once the SPY truly broke the 200 and had some steam, she would absolutely rock it. And you know what? That's exactly what she did. All right. Good morning, everybody. Life Wisdom. Thank you. I'm a big Thundercats fan. Oh! Yeah, man. Wait. You know, my next intro song is going to be like, use a ho, ho. You guys remember that, right? Throwback. Come on. You know. Anyways, back to the chart. We broke the 200 here on the 1 minute, and then we broke this level. That's what really what this was. Yeah, that game was great. Shout outs to Japan, right? So what happened was that it came up, it broke the 200, and then it got rejected right here. This was filthy. It was just a filthy rejection. It came right back down. It got the retest, and you saw that it built momentum, and it has been marching since. Full disclosure, 14% on the port today. Right? Nothing wild, not like yesterday where it was like, 100%. Thomas, who gives a fuck about TMI? Right? TMI, it's really, you follow him. Go follow wedges and supply and demand zones and all that stuff. We're more actionable. We're here to make money, right? We're here to idolize the chart, not idolize a YouTuber, okay? Like, seriously. Anyways, let's, it really don't matter. It don't matter what happened, bro. Just chill. Keep it moving, man. Man. You sound like a fucking nosy-ass Latino, bro. Let's get right. Let's get to making some money. All right, cool. Here we go. SPY on the 1 minute. Consolidating here, right? Now, here we go. We have RSI trending down. When RSI breaks 50, you are now in a downtrend. And what we're paying attention to is the thigh gap as it keeps getting thinner and thinner. So although it's getting thinner with the thigh gap, it's still showing some strength. Now, I want you guys to pay close attention to the EMA values here, right? Traffic light with the 13 EMA, they're 2 cents apart. Ideally, when things are trending up, you will see some separation where the value of the traffic light is greater than the value of the EMA, and you'll see some separation. The minute the value of the EMA is greater than the value of the traffic light, it's coming on down, right? So we're giving you every bit of information that does a couple of things. 1, helps you make money. 2, keeps you from holding. 3, helps you print. Back to the chart here. Now let's go ahead and check out some of our alerts. What is the market doing market-wide? Well, we got Nvidia coming on down, and Google just seems to keep on fucking running. Let's go ahead and check out Nvidia. Guys, what I just showed you are the 1 minute alerts. These are our scalp alerts. Hold on. Let me show you guys something, right? For the guys in the back, right? Make sure you go ahead, get your first month. Trade 1348 for $5, right? You go to any other Discord, they're like, yeah, get our scalp alerts. What is that? 2 or 3 a day? Huh? Man, come on, you're playing with big boys. Just now, from market open to now, you've gotten 61 scalp alerts, all actionable alerts. And that's just on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and look at the 3. 19 on the 3. Let's go ahead and look at Speed Racer. 4, right? Currently just shy of 100 actionable alerts on the day. You can make money. You can make a lot of money. Trade1348.com, link pinned to the top of the description. Get your first month for $5. Use the QR code, scan it, go ahead, sign up, and then put yourself in a position to actually make money, okay? And, okay, let's rock and roll. Enough of that. Enough of PSA. Let's get back to the charts. Okay, so let's see. We got Nvidia coming on down. Everybody loves her some
Nvidia.
Check it out. Now, on the 1 minute, you have the traffic light down, but you also have the 48 EMA supporting price action. That is a no bueno situation. Why? Because if you get RSI to break above 50, currently 48.52, 48.12, you get a break of 50, then you get a break of the 200 EMA, you actually get a continuation of the move. Now, what's also happening? If we look at the traffic light genie here, although the 1 is showing bearish, the 3 and the 5 are still showing bullish. So let's go ahead and look at the 3 and the 5. Now the 3 and the 5 look like there's going to be some time before we truly get the traffic light signal to the downside. Okay. Currently, the traffic light and the 13 EMA value are about 14 cents apart. As you can see here, that's what the thigh gap is showing you. If you want to know the difference between these two numbers, come to thigh gap. Thigh gap will show you. Ideally, what we want to see before we front run a traffic light down is thigh gap to be somewhere at 0.001, or negative 0.01, right? And then it just simply switches on over to the bearish or bullish direction, right? So right now it's bullish. It would be switching on over to bearish, right? But we don't front run anything because we do not have anything actionable. And I think that this is the problem with a lot of retail. You go on a hunch, you go on what you see, and based on what you see is like, I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night, and then you get wrecked, okay? So let's go ahead and go back to the 1 minute. And to answer, I've got a semi and a hemi. Gabe, does OG get the new thigh gap chart? If so, how do we get it? No, you don't. Basically, this is for 3 years or OG lifetime. And included with that is a private market open stream. There are a lot of you who are in that stream. I think there were about 120 people in that stream this morning. And we kept them out of chop. We put them in profitable situations, right? We kept you from chasing things. And we really, really ironed out the strategy, right? And we're doing so in real time, okay? So there's immense value. Reach out to Diana. Tell her you want to upgrade to the 3-year. And then you have access to the masterclass each and every morning where I guide you from 9:15 to about 10 o'clock, which is chop season, right? Will save your portfolio a lot of hurt, okay? And then you gain access to the thigh gap, okay? So let's go ahead and see what we're doing here. BX says, put light came in. Where? RSI, touch it below. BX, what ticker? I don't got a ticker from you, okay? Grab them by the thigh gap. All right, we don't need no freaking Trump references here, man. Yeah, I'm borderline, like, right there from getting canceled, bro. Okay, let's go ahead and look at SPY. Here we go. SPY, on the 1 minute, you do have a traffic light down. Now, let's go ahead and look at this value here. That value was 0.004, so it was less than 1 cent. That's ideally what you wanted to see here before you got the traffic light here. Now, here's the thing. Although the 1 is saying down, the 3 and the 5 are still saying there's strength in the move. So you really needed to be cautious on this one. And yeah, it broke the 50, but then bounced right up. So in something like this, you go ahead. If you were to have entered, you risk the 13, just be done. Wait for the next traffic light to print to the upside, then take it. You do have a level at 399.88, okay? Now, that is the ideal play, but you need to be conscious of sideways action, okay? Sideways action. Now, still, you're in the play because the candle has not closed above the 13. Again, you established the 13 as your risk. You do have the 48 here. RSI broke 50, coming on down. This could get interesting, all right? Diesel man, there's some people who can't afford the full amount. This is what you do. You follow these streams, you learn the rules, you build your port, and then you worry about these tools, right? Listen, I've helped so many people over the past year. Like, I could sleep easy at night, bro. Like, at the end of the day, it is what it is. If you can't afford it, you can't afford it, right? I mean, does Mercedes lower their price because people can't afford a Mercedes? No, they say go buy a Honda. Okay, so here we go. Traffic light to the downside. It's printing. It's working. Moving along. Now we got the 3-minute. Let's pay attention to the 3-minute on SPY. You got an RSI break of its moving average. You could see thigh gap getting weaker. We're waiting for RSI to break below 50. Should it do that, this 1 minute here could definitely see itself coming right back down to the 200 EMA. And this is something we're waiting for, okay? But pay attention to this RSI because right now, as you're getting excited, like, oh my God, I'm winning my trade. You're currently, 37 cents. All right, cool. Congratulations. If RSI works against you, you are legitimately fucked. So you now have to consider, because you're in a level of uncertainty with RSI being at 43.10, when are you going to get out? Especially when you're seeing price sensitivity to the 48, you go ahead, take that profit, right? If you feel like you want to go ahead and re-enter, wait for it to break the 48. Let's see. Nvidia coming down yet. Daniel Mitch, we'll get to that in a second. Let's talk about Tesla really quick. Tesla, what are we doing here? Okay, so Tesla is one of those things on the 1 minute, that 48, that 13, truly supporting it. It's like, what are we doing here? But it's constantly getting rejected by the 200. As it stands right now, I probably won't be playing Tesla on the 1. Let me look at the 3. If you look at the 1 and the 3, Tesla's been hot garbage today. Please stay away from Tesla until you can see a clear-cut defined move. Now, where does that move exist? That move exists with price action breaking above 198.29. That's where that move is going to exist. Now, let's go ahead and check out Nvidia. Someone mentioned it. Okay, so Nvidia on the 3-minute, definitely consolidating sideways. You have a 10-cent difference between traffic light and the EMA. The 1 minute doesn't really look too convincing. It doesn't look like it can truly break that 48, right? The market's calming down. It's, after all, almost 11 o'clock, and we got Daddy Powell speaking later today, right? Oh, you want your soundbite with Nvidia. I'm sorry.
Nvidia.
There you go. There you go. So this is probably that time, guys, where the chart's telling you, look at the difference in thigh gap, morning thigh gap, and then it calms down. Then there's nothing of real significance, okay? These thigh gaps are also going to tell you that maybe you're just risking too much for very little in return. You can sit on your hands. You can legit sit on your hands. What we have here on the 1 minute is Nvidia. You do have this level here. Let's draw this out, right? You got a traffic light coming on up. It's building some momentum, right? The real momentum happens with a break of this level and then a break of 270.77, right? But you could see, again, with where everything's at right now, it's probably not an ideal setup. You still want to wait for a break of a level, okay? Looking at the 3-minute, we see more of the same. But in this situation, it looks like it wants to break to the downside. It wants to break that 13. So you probably have something a little more actionable on the 3-minute to the downside. Please do not force the trade. Wait for the alert, okay? Now, let's go back and let's see. We got SPY coming Google coming on down. Netflix bounced off of yesterday's lows. Let's go ahead and check out Netflix. All right. Wow. Look at this bounce. This is a beautiful bounce. Bounce with me. Bounce with me. Okay, never mind. Let's see. We got the 1 minute coming out down. And yeah, that reversal's fucking textbook. Look what happens, guys. Remember we were talking about how to utilize thigh gap? RSI gets no, it's can I get a fuck you? Yeah, guys, we don't have to censor here. We don't have to censor here. There's no censoring here. Right? Jay-Z's a fucking dog. Like how you cheat on Beyonce when you look like a fucking ape? Anyways, RSI breaks moving average, trending on up above 50. Traffic light to the upside. You do have that level here. Gene, raping GME. Gotta love it. So here you go. That is textbook. You see that weakness occurred here. Made the move up. That's where your weakness occurred, right? It's trying to make that break. Right now, we have a 3-cent gap between the traffic light and the EMA. There's some momentum here. You want to pay attention to RSI. Now, to be honest with you, by virtue of this level being here and also this level here and the 48, if I played this bounce in, I'm done. Right? Tessie making that move. Let's go ahead. Are the bots down? Not getting them on platform. Had them yesterday, gone today. I don't know why. Hit refresh, log out, log back in. Because I'm looking at them right now. Netflix up on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and go to the 3 minute. Coin just alerted. Come on. Right? Guys, these are your alerts. Fucking beautiful. Netflix alerted at 10:57. Here. On this candle, it alerted, but you're able to front run it. Now, why do we alert a minute late? It's for the retracement, just in case it retraces. AMC Steppa, TMI Live is finished. Now I'm here. All right, cool. Welcome. Don't start no shit, won't be no shit, all right? Dr. Q says, I don't have Speed Racer. Well, if you are OG, if you're an OG, Speed Racer should be released to the general public. Andy, come on. Where's Speed Racer for the general public? Did we say end of this week, starting next week? Right? Winning loser. Up 6.3% on the port for the day and done until Power Hour. Okay, Power Hour. Help me. Phoenix, log out, log back in. Mind change says Meth Racer. Hilarious. Okay, so Netflix doing this thing, but again, I'm not going to fuck around and find out. You took this play, you played that bounce. Look at this. Come on, man. That's a $2.35 move. Why you gonna be greedy for? Like, y'all really act like an extra 20 cents is gonna change your life when the move already changed your life to begin with. Why did that move change your life? Because that move existed within the rules of the system. And as long as you follow the system, it will in fact change your life. Ladies and gentlemen, go ahead. Get it for $5 your first month. I will show you the keys to the kingdom. There's no BS. No BS. Just yesterday, it was 112% on the port. The day before, I don't know, it was like 80% on the port. Today, I'm at 14. I'm chilling, right? It's Powell. I'm calm the hell down. The thing is that, like, I live and die by this system, and I'm teaching it out. Are we trying to play Powell? Jessica, you've been in this community long enough to know that you are not playing Powell. Come on. You're not even there yet, Jessica. I see you in the community just like stressing. You're not there yet, Jessica. So don't even try to play it. Oh, you were trolling. Okay, cool. Don't matter. Don't matter. Nobody's playing Powell. Okay, let's go ahead. We got Netflix going on up. There you go. Again, that rejection there, man. I'm not feeling it. You guys already know. STV putting fuel on a fire. Yeah, she knows better. Everybody knows better. I'm trying to get out before Powell. Oh, Gene, yes. Wait, you said you're in GME. Let's go ahead and look at GME. GameStop. Woo! All right. You made that money. You made that money. Congratulations. But then, Jesus, the greed. Listen, man, this is a zero-sum game. You know what happened? People are like, oh my God, we're profitable too. Sell. That's exactly what happened. Traffic light already warned you on the 1 minute. It already warned you on the 1 minute. Jeez, what happened on the 3? This is filthy. It alerted you on the 3 too. This is filthy. Brought you all the way down to a level of traffic light up. You break the EMA, you're good. But Jesus. Again, apes, man, you need to smarten up. If you're not able to read these charts, you do not deserve to be playing these plays. Someone forgot to hold. Ain't nobody fucking holding Jimmy. Ain't nobody holding AMC. Hold on. Come on, 459. Come on, apes. Wisen the fuck up, right? Oh, my favorite. Here we go. Right? TRKA, 18 cents. Fucking peasants. Jesus Christ. Let's play with the big boys and actually make money. Everyone's getting so passionate about, like, just bullshit-ass stocks. Listen, man, if you're getting too emotional about your holdings, you're just fucking doing it wrong. You go ahead and you play the chart. The charts don't lie. YouTubers do lie. Remember Lou? TMI? Everybody? They lied. Huh. Oh, right, but who does that lie benefit? Because your port just kept sinking, but their YouTube revenue kept rocketing. But Lou's back in AMC, so it's going to the moon. Come on, man. Fucking peasants. Oh, jeez. And then yeah, you got those personalities that are just doing like AMC coverage and blah, 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 right? And it's just like, who does a fucking benefit? Right? Talk about the chart and talk about nothing at all. Charts don't lie. Trade1348.com. The truth. Okay, let's go ahead. We have some dings, but we got some dings here. Okay, Apple. Yeah, I'm waiting for the Mexicans and the Guatemalans to go ahead and attack Lou right now. Yeah, he better not go to Spanish Harlem. Don't fuck him up. Okay. So, let's see. Let's see. The dings come from platform. Apple. Let's check out Apple. Spy here on the 1 minute at a very critical juncture. Look at this one. Wow. 3 minute. Let's see what's happening here. RSI breaks 50. Woo! We going down. The AR guy. Dope. Thigh gap doesn't lie. No, it does not. All right, let's go ahead and get some Apple coverage here. Apple on the 1 minute. That traffic light was filthy on the 1 minute. Wait a second. Where speed ratio 1? Apple up. There you go. Wait. Huh? Andy? The fuck is this? You're giving me an apple up. Wait, apple down, apple up. Did it happen on the same candle? No, that's a bad alert. That is a bad alert. Anyways, Apple's coming on down. You could see it here, courtesy of the thigh gap. RSI broke moving average and below 50 on the 1 minute. You're developing some thigh gap here in the histogram. MACD is also developing here. You can infer that she is in fact coming on down. You do have a 48 as a level. Make sure you go ahead and respect that because you have the 3 and the 5 in disagreement with the 1. It may take some time for the 3 and the 5 to agree. How much time? Well, RSI is still strong on the 3. So what's holding up the 3 right now is the 13. Ironically, The 13 is 160.13. Let's go to the 1 minute, and the 48. The 48 is 160.07. So, yeah, this is very, very doable, right? If you're going to play this put for a quick scalp, you can do it, okay? You got to pay attention to RSI, though. It needs to stay below 50. Right now, current value, 46.32. I'm good with it. Quick scalp to the downside. Let's go ahead and measure this out, right? That's a 16-cent move. Probably not worth it. Sideways action, right? But still, good practice. Yeah, it's flickering. Okay. So, this is where you guys coming down to, okay? Until the 3 minute. Now, if the 3 minute agrees, this is where your move is truly going to happen. It's going to happen at the 3. It's not going to happen at the 1, okay? Now, let's go ahead and check out the next alert. We don't have anything else. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Are some of you still in Tesla? Give me a thumbs up. What time frame days do you use for RSI? It's a 14. It's standard for RSI. It's 14 periods. The Tesla move down was beautiful. You could see it better on the 1 minute. Traffic light down, print, bounces right up, rejects, traffic light right back down, print, bounces right up, level, rejects. We could do this all day, man. We could do this all day. In choppy markets, you got to be fast with the 1. Now what we're seeing with Tesla here is the bounce off a level traffic light to the upside, but it's struggling with its own 48. Just sideways action, right? You have market exhaustion up until, Powell steps up. Let's see. Then the algos just kick in, and then things get really, really wonky. Guys, first month, $5. You've got nothing to lose. Actually, you have a whole lot to gain, which is not only finding profitable plays, but not getting fucked by bad plays that you think should have been good plays because some idiot told you it was going to be a good play. Let's see. Yes, STV. Thank you for being the hype man. You have everything to lose by not joining. Okay. Right? It's really, really wild, right? $5. People are timid, right? But they'll go ahead and play a Mega Millions or Powerball. 3 tickets will cost you $6. And your probability of actually making money, zip. Here, a little different here, right? We're cheaper than a fucking $25 scratch off. And put you in a position to make some money. This isn't the casino, but we sure as hell act like we're the house now. All right, moving along. Netflix coming on down. Tesla coming on down. Netflix, what are we doing, baby? Netflix. Wow. 1 minute. Netflix. Literally confirming the trend. Do you guys see what just happened here? It came up to the 48 and just got rejected. Just got rejected, right? That was your quick scalp. You know better. And you also know that you're playing this traffic light as long as RSI remains below its moving average and below 50 on the 1 minute. You know that. Your risk here will be the 13. Okay? You don't have to willy-nilly into the stuff, but if you're playing it on the 3, God bless you. Whoa. Wow. Wow. The 3. OMG. Google's still going up. Let's talk about Google. You said it's still going up. Oh, it's going to catch somebody here. You really think this boom boom candle on the 3? Let's go ahead and look at it on the 1. Right? Is this an abnormal candle? And is this a level? Yes. Let's mark it. Let's mark it there. RSI is cooked. The thing's going to come back down. Right? RSI is cooked. We're probably going to see some weakened momentum right here coming up in the thigh gap. Right? Let's go ahead and look at it on the 3. And this is what retail does. Oh my God, it's running. I'm going to run with it. And you get wrecked. Why? It was that level. That level. Levels are magnets. Let's go ahead and look at Microsoft. The 3-minute move. That 3-minute move was gnarly. Let's go ahead and take a look there. That was a $4 move to the upside. Traffic light let you know. Thigh gap just ran with you. Look at that thigh gap coming into the level, right? And as you hit the level, look what happens on the very next histogram here with the thigh gap. It weakens, which is telling you that you need to start respecting that level. Yes, it tried again, couldn't break through, then RSI broke down, and as you can see, it comes right back down to this blue pill line and begins to consolidate. Beautiful. Yeah, traffic lights for the win, man. Right? Listen, I want to drive this home, right? The AR guy, if you have the new chart, remember I'm using the traffic light chart. This is basically to include the thigh gap. So what you're going to have to do is mark your levels as I say it, right? 276.18. You're going to have to do that. You know what's more? Find your own levels. You've been around long enough to be able to find your levels, bro. Right? Don't expect me to do everything for you. You can find your own levels. Now, Microsoft, look at that on a 3-minute. Let's go ahead and look at SPY. Whoa! Oh my God! Look at this on a 3-minute. You were told here. You're actually told here. Here, look at this. 0.003, less than 1 cent. You were told here, traffic light came here, then you got knifed. Raphael Grenier says, hey, Gabe, this new chart is fucking crazy. Hard to not have a green day. Absolutely. Yes, sir. Got that 3-minute put. Yes, sir. And you guys got it to the 200. So what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do we do? There you go. STB. Get out. Secure the bag. Take it. Exactly. Right? You are not going to get rich today. And then Andy says, get the 3-year. Absolutely. If you guys want more of this, when we do the master classes in the morning, man, master classes, I don't even conversate with you motherfuckers. I'm just like, we're here, boom, here, boom, out, in. It's like I'm instructing you on a porn set. In, out, in, out, in, out. Hold it for the camera. Hold it for the camera. In, out, in, out. Oh, she thigh gapped. Woo, spread the legs, baby. She's done. Did you cream pie her? Yeah, I mean, no, never mind. I'm so getting canceled. I'm so getting canceled. Like, whoa, whoa, hitting the level, about to blow, about to blow. No, hold, slow down, stop. Cautious, caution. Anyways, FCC just called. We need to talk. Gabe, what time is the masterclass tonight? And is that Eastern time? That's going to be with STV. He'll make the announcement in the community pro necklace. Ha. But my master classes are at 9:15 in the morning. We start at 9:15, 9:20. We draw our levels. Market opens. We make money. All right, where are we at with the spy? You guys, you took that knife. If you got greedy, you're like, damn, I should have took it here, right? What's that move? That's a 31-cent move right there. Damn, I should have took it here. But if you chased it, right? A lot of retail chased it. They're like, oh, what's happening? It's going to go down. It's going to keep going down, right? But you guys were already here. You guys were already here making that bag. You were already here making that bag. If you don't feel like this is the competitive advantage you need, I don't know what to tell you, man. You deserve to lose. Okay. Moving along. I heard some dings. When you hear dings, that means there's something happening. Okay, so we got Netflix on the move up. Let's check out Netflix. And let's go to the 1 minute. And you got the traffic light to the 1 minute, right? Again, so first, Netflix got rejected here. It came and settled on down. And then you got another traffic light here. Now, so what are we doing here? So for me personally, I'm like, wait, that 48 right there? Nah, you got me last time. Fool me once, but you're not fooling me twice. I want a candle break, right? I want a candle break above. But damn, that move with Netflix. Holy hell. That move is freaking nasty. Who made money? Who made money on this Netflix put? Jesus Christ. I don't mean to use Jesus' name in vain. You know what? Okay, hold on. There's a loophole. I'm just going to call him Jesus. Jesus Christ. Jesus. What we doing here? Jesus. All right. Let's see. Netflix consolidating here. And then Ivan's messaging me. Oh man, Ivan just sent me a love letter. Oh, the captain sent me a love letter. Can I share? Captain, you on the stream? So the captain, as you all know, he double duties not only as HR, but he's also a firefighter, right? But this is what he shares with me. Another $600 day, an hour of trading. My anxiety is so high because this doesn't make sense. 4 for 4 again. I'm going to keep thinking your ass because I don't know what else to do, right? Guys, these aren't only, individuals that are helping to support the community and help me to support the community. These are individuals who, also had to buy in on the system. And to see them do that, you know what I mean? To put full trust in myself and STV and say like, all right, these guys know better. I mean, $600 is nothing to sneeze at. And to be able to do that consistently on top of a fire chief salary, you got some people who go ahead and resolve to say like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do Uber Eats. I'm going to go do this. Or I'm going to go ahead and get a second job, right? A lot of you men are out there probably like, damn, sweetheart, maybe you got to go back to work. You know what? If you have this skill set, or if you taught her this skill set, she wouldn't have to go back to work. Okay? Just would not have to go back to work. Right? Let's see. 600 a week would change my life, not even a day. Yeah. It's we build it. Right? 50 every trading day is 13,000 a year. I mean, it's nothing to sneeze at, right? You guys ever like really thought about like how much effort we put into helping someone else achieve their dreams, aka being on payroll? Take that same energy and invest in yourself, all right? Trade 1348, first month for $5. You ain't got shit to lose. You're going to paper trade. You're going to learn the system, and then you're going to start believing in yourself. And you ain't got nothing to lose. All right, let's go back. It is 11:21. I got 9 minutes. Anybody want me to go on a rant? Just go ahead and piss me off and talk about AMC or some shit penny stock. Brian, ES Minimaster, what's going on? I was telling my wife she'd probably be a better trader than me because she's a rule follower. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why women live longer. Because they don't do stupid shit like men. Can we have an Ortex on Jay Powell? I don't, oh man, fuck that guy. Literally. To the moon, I tell my wife the same thing. Daily Taylor. Jimmy had good earnings. Wait for it. It's going to die. You want to talk about cars? Well, okay. Well, what kind of car are we talking about? HYMC, AMC, GME, Ortex, please. Rant. I don't care. I don't care for Ortex. It's wild, right? You're all basing your trading decisions on Ortex. It's like, it's not even fucking like objective. It's subjective. It's like, okay, short interest is high. People are like, oh my God, it's going to squeeze. Just because Ortex says short interest is high does not necessarily mean it's going to squeeze, right? Let me give you an analogy. A woman could say she likes you, doesn't mean she's going to fuck you. She could probably say she likes you just so she could take your money. Oh, emotional damage. How the simps in the chat. How you doing? All right, let's go. You got Dogecoin. Oh, okay. All right. Anyways, we're going back to the SPY. We're hearing some tings. So that means something is happening. All right, Netflix trying to make that move up. Let's check out Netflix. What are we doing? Netflix, help me out here. There we go. All right. 3-minute consolidation, right? RSI broke above its moving average. And then you could see this histogram, this thigh gap is finally, you know what she's saying? She's like, thank you, I'm done, right? She's like, I'm done. That's it. Respect her, right? Respect her. Otherwise, it's non-consensual. Let's go to the 1 minute. When you try to force the plate and it's non-consensual, bad shit happens to you, right? No, I would never get that Valhalla. Beautiful car, but it's just not practical. Now, so we have the 1 minute traffic light to the upside. You finally did break the 48. We have to see if she has enough momentum. We have to wait. Just wait for that candle close. We need that candle close. 26 seconds for candle close. We need to see it stay above the 48. What about Tesla? Teslas are great cars. The build quality is shit. The Plaid, super fast, fastest thing I've ever been in. But it just doesn't stop fast enough. like you're smashing into the rear end of a fucking Prius on the floor. Yeah, there does come a time when practicality goes out the window. Two of the best daily drivers I've ever had was the Porsche 911 Turbo and obviously the Audi R8. Those are amazing grocery getters, right? So we did not finish above the 48. So you know what? Once you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again, right? It's over 6,000 pounds or close to 6,000 pounds. Yeah. I still got the Audi R8. I still have it. Let me see. Mr. Ring, this is my lawn guy. All right, bro. Go do your thing. Anyways, I love my S5. It is the best, and you could tune those things. They're very, very tunable. 2012. That depends, right? Is that a Ford motor or not? 2012. When were Jags under Ford Motor Co? I have quite a few stout. I have quite a few. Let's see. Yeah, Teslas are heavy. All right, so I want Tesla, but I don't have a garage in my driveway. It's like 50 yards from the house, so how could I charge it? If you know, well, I mean, depending, as long as you don't live in fucking Middle Earth, you probably have like a Tesla supercharge network. No, that's literally how it is. Come and get me, coppas. Like, honestly, like if I'm speeding, you think I'm slowing down? Right? You're gonna have to earn this ticket, boy. Come get me. Hey, why didn't you pull over? I didn't see you. Let's see. All right, guys. There you go. Ooh, Netflix, level. Traffic light, Netflix. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for. Oh, fun fact about cops, right? You know, the idiots that go ahead and outrun the cop, right? All the cop has to do is get within, like, 25 yards of you. And the computer's already got your license plate. It's already got your license plate. So, you know, don't even bother going ahead and, like, pulling over and then pulling off. You're fucked, dude. They got you. All right. Okay, that was Netflix. It came up to this level. It's still trying to do its thing. Let's go ahead and see what's happening on a 3. Mike D, does it really, Mike D? Your license plate says 1348 EMA? Mike D, if that's so fucking awesome. Netflix just really consolidate. Wait, so guys, what's happening on the MACD? Mike D is gonna post it in Market Talk now, man. I love that, man. Custom 1348 EMA plates, man. This dude is ride or die. So guys, any other strategy out there got people getting custom plates? You know it works, and people are just literally just embracing the strategy. Is like really dope. It's dope to see. Let's go ahead and look at Nvidia really quick, and then I'm gonna go. I got 1 minute left. Nvidia. Wow, look at, okay. That's how they get you. You saw that level there? That's how they get you. Now let's go ahead and look at it in 1 minute. Diana, you have a 1348 EMA plate too? Lord. All right, so this is how they get you. You guys saw it here, right? Traffic light got you in. You're making that move, right? You broke a level. You came up to this level. You identified the level. RSI got hot right on this candle. You knew better to get out, secure the bag. Now, this is what happened. Retail went ahead and bought up here. And then the smart motherfuckers sold right here. And they're like, thank you for that exit liquidity. Oh my God. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. You guys are seeing right here on the chart how people are just getting their asses handed to them. We could literally show it every single time. That's right. Thundercats. Oh, I had a major crush on Chitara. All right, guys. I think I'm done. I'll see you guys at 12:30 with STV. Peace.